Carbide recycling is a happy, relaxing, win-win situation for everyone involved. It creates a sustainable source of scarce minerals, reduces environmental impact, and minimizes waste disposal. And now, recycling is included with all our carbide rock tools. We collect the used tools at your premises and pay you for the scrap. You don't have to do anything but to sit back, relax, and enjoy the beautiful process. We call it the calmness of recycling. To let you fully experience the calmness, we are going to take an extensive look at the recycling process and its benefits. But before we start, I want you to take a couple of deep breaths, deeper than you've taken all day. In and out. In and out. In and out. In and out. Can you feel that warm, fuzzy feeling? That's the calmness spreading through your body. Let's get started. Don't worry if your mind drifts away for a moment. Simply enjoy the soothing process and listen to my voice. To understand the importance of recycling cemented carbide, we need to talk about one of its key components, the element tungsten. Tungsten has some remarkable properties. It is as heavy as gold, so heat resistant that iron is already boiling before tungsten melts, and it forms the industrial important tungsten carbide. The sheer variety of applications of the element tungsten is impressive, and it is an indispensable mineral for the modern high-tech industry. When tungsten carbide is combined with cobalt, it creates the composite cemented carbide, which has a series of excellent properties such as high hardness, wear resistance, strength and toughness, heat resistance, and corrosion resistance. These properties make cemented carbide the perfect composite for the tough job of crushing rock. Sandvik manufactured its first cemented carbide tools in 1942 and has since then developed new innovative carbide composites. These materials are now crucial for the modern mining industry. But tungsten is a scarce and finite mineral. At present consumption rates, tungsten resources are expected to be depleted within 40 to 100 years. That's why it's so important to recycle. We have found a way to turn worn-out drill bits into new premium tools without sacrificing product performance. A process that's beneficial to you, your business, and the environment. Through the carbide recycling program, all the precious material in worn-out tools is taken care of in a calming way. The program creates a secure source of an important mineral, reduces shipping emissions by 93%, and produces 64% less CO2 emissions compared to mined virgin material. Soothing numbers, wouldn't you say? Let's rest in their presence for a moment. Recycling carbide tools has never been easier. With everything taken care of for you, you can simply enjoy the peace of mind it brings. It starts with us placing containers on your premises that you fill with your worn-out carbide rock tools. The origin of the tools doesn't matter. We'll happily take care of tools from other manufacturers too. The containers are collected regularly, and you get paid for the contents. Once the scrap leaves your premises, it begins its soothing journey towards becoming new premium drill bits. For the carbide inserts to be recycled, they must be extracted from the drill bit's steel body. This used to mean that the entire drill bit, with all its metal weight, had to be shipped to factories where the inserts could be removed. But thanks to Sandvik's new local extraction unit, drill bit inserts can be separated from the steel body locally, even before leaving the mine. The local extraction unit provides a safe and easy way to extract the inserts, involving local communities and enabling the steel to be recycled close to market. With the steel removed, the shipping weight of the precious cemented carbide is reduced by 93%, considerably reducing transportation emissions. Once the inserts have been extracted, they travel to Sandvik's own recycling plant Wolfram Bergbauunhütten in Austria, where the beautiful recycling process begins. Samples from the incoming materials are carefully inspected in the lab, where the composition and tungsten content are determined for further processing. This mind-melting procedure includes heating the material up to over 1,000 degrees before cooling down again. Once inspected, the carbide inserts set out on a tranquilizing journey through conveyor belts and tanks, furnaces and liquid baths. When the tungsten content is secured, the inserts go through extensive sorting to remove dirt, iron parts, and other materials unsuitable for the recycling process. Focus your attention to the moving objects on the screen. Let them symbolize the way your thoughts and feelings come and go. Some may be complex and burdening, while some are small and fleeting. Try to pinpoint any thoughts or feelings that may weigh you down at the moment. They might be feelings of stress or worry. Acknowledge them and allow them to be present in your mind. As you watch the drill bit inserts on the conveyor belt, notice how they all disappear no matter how hard they try to linger. The same is true for stress and worry. It is important to sort your mind once in a while. It enables you to separate the valuable from the rest, just like with carbide scrap. Once sorted, the material is ready for the chemical recycling process. For this to work, the inserts must be disintegrated into their individual elements. But a drill bit designed to break rock is not easy to crack. This used to be a major challenge. But thanks to innovative techniques developed by Sandvik, the materials can now be efficiently recycled. Once the materials have disintegrated, they undergo heat treatment in highly energy-efficient furnaces. As you watch the material in the furnace, you can feel a warmth spreading through your body. It starts working its way up from the soles of your feet, through your legs, becoming more and more intense with every breath you take. The warmth reaches your lower back and abdomen, getting warmer and warmer. It spreads to your upper body, all the way out to your fingertips. As it reaches your shoulders and neck, You feel how your muscles begin to relax. Your shoulders drop. The tension in your neck loosens. As the warmth moves up across your face, you unclench your jaw and relax the muscles around your eyes. You feel your muscles heating up as the warmth moves all the way up to your scalp. Just like the materials in the furnace, you are now warm and relaxed. Breathe in and out. In and out. In and out. you ready for the next step? On its journey towards becoming new drill bit inserts, the material goes through several purification steps where other materials, such as cobalt, get extracted. That material is recycled separately to ensure as little as possible goes to waste. Throughout the process, extensive testing is done to guarantee the properties of the material. Through chemical recycling, the carbide scrap is now in the form of a pure white powder. This powder, that is an intermediate to the final product, is washed and treated to remove any impurities. Let the cleansing water drops make their way over your warm and relaxed body, removing any pain or discomfort you may feel. If your mind wanders or begins to get lost in thoughts, that's okay. Just acknowledge the thought and gently pull your attention back to your breathing. In and out. Remember that there is nowhere else you need to be right now. pure powder is now cleaned and continues its conveyor belt journey. At this stage, the product has the same high-quality properties as virgin minerals stemming from Sandvik's own mine in Mittersill. Let your mind and body rest in the presence of the pure powder for a while. The final product, tungsten carbide, is now inspected and packed for delivery. The quality of this ready-to-use powder is extremely consistent, something that is of utmost importance to Sandvik. The material is now ready to be used in the production of new premium carbide rock tools. The produced rock tools are then delivered to mining sites all over the world and ready to be used until worn out. Then the cycle starts over again, and again, and again. We have now reached the end of the recycling process. As you watch the steady stream of powder, you can slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the world around you. The procedure you have seen today is one of the reasons why Sandvik has a unique place in the market. We are the only supplier that own every step of the process in the creation of carbide rock tools, from mining of raw materials to manufacturing and finally recycling. This puts Sandvik in a world-leading position of reducing the environmental impact of carbide rock tools. By working together, we can reduce energy consumption, minimize CO2 emissions, and produce less waste, all while creating a circular source of a scarce mineral, securing premium rock tools from Sandvik to our customers, today and in the future. As we reach the end of this calming guide to carbide recycling, you may carry this pleasant feeling with you for the rest of the day. If you want more information about Sandvik's carbide recycling program, we invite you to visit our website or contact your local Sandvik representative. If you simply want to experience the calmness of recycling again, you are always welcome to revisit this video. Thank you for listening. We wish you a peaceful day.